friends, welcome to the YouTube channel of Life and More. Today we have with us Madhukar Swayambhu, who is the co-founder of Vedic Economics, which, as their website claims, is a gang of abnormal people who are on a mission to change the dynamics of the business around ecology. Hi, welcome to the show, Madhukar.
Thank you.
Why call yourselves a gang of abnormal people? That is very important.
See, abnormal is basically AB is a short form of above normal.
Okay,
Basically,
okay.
what happens is whenever you're looking at things at the par level, you are
Mhm.
tend to miss some minute details. But when you look
Right.
at things from the top angle, then you
Mhm.
are actually able to see even the minuter details. So that is
Right.
why we say above normal, so that we can
Mhm.
have a top view of the normal.
Okay.
That's the
Okay.
idea.
Okay. Okay. And what is Vedic economics all about? Just let our viewers know about this.
See, we formed this organization called Vedic Economics Private Limited. The idea behind this is we are using the Vedic knowledge and the Vedic science for linking cow to economics. So that is why
Okay.
this name itself is the complete statement, Vedic
Okay.
Economics.
Okay.
And we are all bunch of IT guys. We are all into communication
Mhm.
networking.
Okay.
But way back in year 2011, we were just standing
Mhm.
outside our office, and we saw one of the cow was eating some garbage and all.
Right.
So it actually stuck our mind. Ke, yaar, we are very what do you call, double standard people. On one hand we say
Mhm.
that cow is holy, gai mata hai
Right.
and all that. On the other
Mhm.
hand, this is the condition of what you call as mother. So
Right.
this
Right.
is a paradoxical situation in our society, that neither we are completely Indians nor we are completely Britishers, because
True.
we have been trained with the British education system, so mentally we
Mhm.
think like Britishers, but
Mhm.
our we have not completely foregone our value system, which is the Indian value system. And
True.
end of the day, we are standing at a confluence point wherein we are neither 100% Indian nor 100% British.
Mhm.
So we need to
Mhm.
find out the sense and sensibilities behind our culture to understand our culture better and rectify the things.
Mhm.
So we started, because obviously we will not get the answer in the modern science why cow is holy. So we
Right.
started
Right.
studying and doing a research on the Vedic science. So
Okay.
we started working with the Vedas first,
Mhm.
all four Vedas. Then we went into Puranas. Then we went
Okay.
into Upanishads. So
Okay.
the complete syllabus of our technology is
Mhm.
basically four Ved. Then we have 18 Puranas and we have
Okay.
108 Upanishads.
Wow.
After we did all this study, we started
Mhm.
creating the dots, and then we
Okay.
finally linked up all the dots and we
Mhm.
found a solution. Now this solution was basically resuscitation of the native ecology in soil, water and air. Now
Okay.
this sounds very heavy.
Yeah, it does. I was about
but
to interrupt you in between. ये बहुत heavy लग रहा है actually. Okay.
बट बेसिकली अगर हम ग्लोबल पर्सपेक्टिव में भी देखेंगे, आज
Mhm.
जो भी ग्लोबल प्रॉब्लम्स है हमारे पास, ग्लोबल
Right.
वार्मिंग है, क्लाइमेट चेंज है, एंटी
Mhm.
माइक्रोबियल रेजिस्टेंस है, फूड क्राइसिस है, ड्रिंकिंग वाटर क्राइसिस है, ये सारी क्राइसिस क्यों हैं? द
Mhm.
ओनली रीजन इज, अब जैसे अभी वन थिंग विच एवरीबडी कैन रिलेट टू इज COVID-19, राइट?
Right. Mhm.
Now, there was a global pandemic, right?
Mhm.
And everybody would have heard of this term called herd immunity going down.
Right. Right. Right.
So, why it struck the globe like this? One
Mhm.
answer is connectivity, but second answer is the herd immunity has gone down. Global human immunity has
Right.
gone down,
Right.
right?
Right.
Now,
Mhm.
why has the immunity gone down? If you delve deeper into it, you will understand that nature has designed us
Hmm.
to live in a particular environment, right?
Hmm.
Everybody from a dog to a cat to
Right.
a lion to the plants to the trees,
Hmm.
everything is manifestation of nature, including
True.
human beings, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
So nature has created one kind of soil, water and air that creates
Yeah.
the environment on this planet,
Hmm.
right?
Okay. Hmm.
We all know that into our entire solar system, this is the only living planet.
Right.
So there are unique positions of soil, water, and air, unique conditions. That is why life is possible on this planet, right?
Hmm.
So the herd immunity goes down when neither soil nor water nor air is in its natural condition.
Right. Right.
So we're not getting a natural environment to breathe in, to eat,
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
right? So the herd immunity has gone down because we are living a
Right.
very mechanical kind of a life,
Hmm.
right? So the only answer to all these problems is restoration of soil, water, and air to its native natural condition.
Okay. Okay.
Now,
Hmm.
this gets done because of cows. That is why India was a cow based economy.
Okay. Okay.
That is why when we say linking cow to economics, it is actually
Hmm.
restoration of the environment to its native condition.
Okay. You're
So
balancing it out,
that's
basically.
the complete science.
Okay. So you said you started it, basically you conceptualized the entire thing in 2011. How many of you were there?
Five.
Five of you. You're still five of you were still
Yeah,
around.
we are still
So
five.
so the hand is still there. So
Yeah, the hand is
okay,
still there.
the hand still
Now,
there.
we call
Okay.
it Panch Mahabhut as per the Vedic
Panchma.
science.
Right,
Now,
right,
Panch
right.
Mahabhut is this is very
Hmm.
interesting. You might not be knowing about this.
Mhm.
We call in India we call Bhagwan.
Right.
किसके हाथ में? भगवान के हाथ में.
हाँ जी
भगवान
बिल्कुल.
देख लेगा, भगवान के सहारे छोड़
Hmm.
दिया. What is
हाँ.
Bhagwan?
Hmm.
Bha is for Bhumi,
Okay.
Ga is for Gagan,
Okay.
Va is for Vayu, A is for Agni,
Agni.
Na is for Neer.
No.
So
Okay.
put them together, Bhagwan is a
Oh.
acronym.
Oh. 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 So is this a actual thing, or this is what you guys have made it?
See, this is the way we explain the importance
Hmm.
of Pancha Mahabhut.
That's very interesting. That's actually very interesting. That's very interesting. So, when the five of you got together, you were all IT professionals, you said. So you left your jobs and you decided, because I read somewhere that
No,
you guys,
initially we
I,
did not.
you, Hmm.
Initially we did not. I said
Okay,
this bug stuck into our brains in 2011. So
okay, okay,
2011 we started doing the research work. We started
okay.
studying all this. There was a huge syllabus. I just told you
Naturally, naturally,
चार
naturally.
वेद हैं, 18 उपनिषद and
108.
18 पुराण and 108
Yeah.
उपनिषद. So it was a huge syllabus for us. And then
Mhm.
जैसा मैंने आपको बताया, we have been trained by British education, so our nomenclature, our indexing, everything is British.
Right, right.
Unfortunately, it does not fall the same way into the scripture because here everything
Hmm.
is Sanskrit based. Now,
Right,
once we started dwelling deeper into it, we understood that Sanskrit is much more scientific than the English language or the English
right.
indexing system.
Mhm.
So, uh, this took us about 5-6 years of research.
Okay.
Then we were able to arrive at a solution that, okay, this is the solution. Now, then came the what do you call sustainability idea that stuck
Mhm.
us. That
Mhm.
okay, we have found it, but till the
Right.
time it is not monetized, it will not become sustainable
True.
because
True.
all of us are working into our respective MNCs and everybody
Mm-hmm.
was drawing hefty salaries. So we were like
Mm-hmm.
quite comfortable. But then when we started knowing all this, then we thought that okay, it is a very selfish and a very foolish idea that we keep this to ourselves. We need to take it
True.
out, right?
Mm-hmm.
So then we started thinking about how to monetize it. But the first step was whenever you want to monetize it, it has to be an organization, an
Mm-hmm.
entity. So we
True.
created Vedic Economics Private Limited in
Okay.
2015. when we
Okay.
had the solution in hand, but it was
Hmm.
still under R&D mode.
Acha.
So
Okay.
2016, we decided that now that the company has been formed, all the paperwork is complete. Now
Hmm.
everybody will leave their respective jobs, and we need to
Okay.
take a plunge. Full time, we need to work here. Otherwise, it will
Hmm.
not succeed as a part
Right.
time activity. So
Right.
2016, everybody left their respective jobs, and we
Hmm.
started working full time into Vedic economics.
Okay.
And the journey has been quite tough, I would say,
Naturally.
because
Naturally.
the moment you go out in the market and you talk to the people that we've got a solution based on Vedic science, the
Yeah.
first reaction that comes out of Indians itself is,
Uh-huh.
there is no science in Vedas. It is all mythology. It is all
Right. Right.
Smriti. It is all Gayan, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
But
Hmm.
the same thing, you talk to Germans,
Acha.
their perception
Okay.
is entirely different. They say, boss, we would like to know what
Okay.
research you have done on Vedas, because
Hmm.
they have got a complete infrastructure which is doing a research into Vedas.
Okay.
But
Okay.
their thought process is not towards environment and ecology. They're
Acha.
searching for
Okay.
something else, right?
Hmm.
Now, UN has also come up with this sustainable development goals and all that,
True.
right?
True.
Why
Hmm.
this has come up is because our life in last about 100 200 years has actually become
Hmm.
completely unsustainable, right?
Okay.
Because the
Hmm.
way we are
I agree.
developing the human race these days, we call it a
Hmm.
destructive development. Why it is destructive is because in the name of development, you have to do
Hmm.
some or the other destruction, whether it is
Right.
destruction of the forest, whether it is
Hmm.
destruction of the water bodies like lakes. You
Right.
have to fill
Right.
up the lakes and you
True.
cut the
True.
plots and you make a residential colony, right?
Right.
You have to
Right.
do some or the other destruction. So
Hmm.
this is a destructive development. That is why it is not sustainable.
Hmm.
Whereas if you look
Exactly.
at the Indian way of development, now this is very
Hmm.
interesting because whatever development, even in terms of construction work that we have done in India, has
Hmm.
actually tested the test of time. It has
Right.
always been successful. Like,
Hmm.
if I ask you the oldest man-made creation, oldest man-made
Hmm.
construction that you know on Earth,
Hmm. Hmm.
which is still existing, what's the answer?
Maybe an Ajanta Ellora out there in the caves.
The answer is Ram Setu,
Oh yeah,
the link
true.
between India and Sri Lanka
Hmm.
that was
Right, right.
built at the time of Ramayana.
Ramayana, right.
Okay. Now,
Hmm.
the interesting part is there have been researchers who are doing their studies on the Ram Setu, and till
Hmm.
now the layers of the Ram Setu which they have discovered, they have found out that it is at least 7,000 years old.
That's huge.
Now, this is the only man-made construction which is visible from outside in the
Bus
space.
space, right. That I know, that I remember.
Okay. Now, for
Hmm.
7,000 years, without any maintenance, it has
Hmm.
stood the test of time,
Right,
right?
right, right.
Now, what is the maximum age of a modern construction? It does not go beyond 100, 200
100
years,
years, yeah, right.
right? So,
Right.
why it has stood the test of time is only because the
Hmm.
entire construction was done ecologically. It was in absolute harmony with the agroclimatic zone, with the
Okay.
nature of the said land
Hmm.
mass,
Right.
right? So, there have been so many technologies in India from the Vedic sciences. Like, I'll give you one example. You must have heard that Vedas were not written, right?
Hmm. There was song in the beginning, yeah.
Yeah, people say
Right.
that God Himself actually delivered it to
Hmm.
human beings, right?
Right, right.
But you would have also heard that Vedas are Shrutis,
Hmm.
right? Now,
Right,
Shruti means something which has been heard. Okay.
right, right.
Now, if I say that you are hearing what I'm saying,
Hmm.
that means you are hearing also and I'm saying also, na?
Exactly.
So on one hand you can call it Shruti, on other hand you can also call it Maukik, and that I'm
Because
speaking, that
दोनों
is why you're listening, na?
right, it's मौखिक, ठीक है.
But Vedas are never said that they are Maukik. They're always said they are Shruti. Why?
हाँ.
Because nobody spoke.
Oh, अच्छा,
Because
see, this is something.
when I speak,
Mm-hmm.
there is an iota of doubt of what you understand. Maybe you're
अच्छा.
thinking about something else. Maybe
Right,
you have a
quite
preconceived
possible.
notion about me, right?
Right, quite possible.
Maybe your logical thinking is taking my uh, uh, speech into a different tangent altogether. So there is a possibility of miscommunication when I
Exactly,
speak.
and yeah, I agree. Yeah.
But if I communicate it to you on the brainwave communication without speaking,
Oh.
it will be delivered as it is, because your brain is understanding the brain waves which are being sent from my brain.
Oh, so
So there is no
you want to say,
misconception.
oh, okay. So
There
you
is no
basically
mis.
want to say that it all happened through brain waves. It was
Yes.
never spoken. Oh, wow.
Yes.
This is something very interesting.
So all those technologies existed. Only point is, unfortunately, even after independence, government of India or the education infrastructure in India did not do a research on our own roots, on our own
Right,
sciences.
right.
And when we started exploring it, we thought that it is a huge ocean of knowledge. We
Naturally.
must do a research on this, and we must bring it out for the betterment of the humanity, for the betterment of the society.
Right. Right.
Because if India is the of all the civilizations across the globe, you tell me one single civilization which has come up with this idea like Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, that the whole earth is your own home.
One more. Right.
Because we actually understood that everything is connected, everything is
Right.
linked.
Right.
So you do a water pollution in America and the effect will be seen in India, in Indonesia, because you see water is all around,
Right.
right? There is underground water, there is above the ground water, there is ocean water, there is polar ice, there is glacier, there is rain. But how will you differentiate between the waters? We have
Right.
created Indian Ocean and Pacific Ocean. Nature has
ठीक
not.
बात. Nature didn't.
We have created our nomenclature for the
Right.
ease of identification.
Right.
But nature has not done anything.
True. True.
Nature has created only one earth, which is our blue planet, our home.
Right.
And
Right.
this entire planet is our home. It is not just the 1800 square feet home that we live in.
ठीक बात है. I agree. I agree. So, Madhukar, so when you started, you said the journey was tough. How challenging was it to actually create a space which never existed? Because when you swim against the stream,
Yeah.
actually gets very difficult. People
Right.
think, जैसे आपने बोला भी कि हाँ we are a gang of abnormal people. I'm again coming to that. So because it gets very difficult. मेकिंग पीपल अंडरस्टैंड, जैसे आप बोल रहे थे कि वैदिक साइंस, वेदा में साइंस कहाँ है, तो
Right.
कहाँ से शुरू, कहाँ से किया एग्जैक्टली कि यार हमें यहाँ से पकड़ना है और दिस इज आवर ए पॉइंट वेयर वी नीड टू स्टार्ट एंड देन वी हैव टू टेक इट टू जेड. देयर हैज टू बी अ स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट.
वेल एक्चुअली ऐसा कुछ A to Z का सिस्टम नहीं था. सिस्टम सिर्फ ये था, हमारे दिमाग में ये था कि हमको ये तरीका तो पता लग गया है कि कहाँ पे गलती है और किसको सुधारना है. सवाल ये है कि जो सुधारने का जो सिस्टम है, अब जैसे मैं आपको एक बेसिक सी बात बताता हूँ. हमने स्कूल में बचपन में पढ़ा, आपने भी पढ़ा कि मैन इज अ सोशल एनिमल, राइट?
राइट.
Now this knowledge is obsolete today. Man is not a social animal, man is a commercial animal.
राइट.
आप एक आदमी को बोलो कि भाई विदाउट द ट्रीज यू वोंट बी एबल टू ब्रीथ, राइट? सो प्लीज डोंट कट. ही विल नॉट लिसन टू यू. उसको भी मालूम है कि सांस उसको आनी है,
हाँ, ठीक बात है। हाँ,
half of your lungs are actually outside.
हाँ, ठीक बात
ये
है।
पता उसको भी है,
वी डो, हाँ,
बट
हाँ।
अगर कोई उसको 1000 रुपए देगा पेड़ काटने के, तो वो पेड़ को काट देगा, नोइंग
हम्म।
फुली वेल के पेड़ के कटने से ब्रीदिंग में प्रॉब्लम होगी। अभी इमीडिएटली नहीं हो रही है, बट आने वाली जनरेशन तो होगी, लेकिन आने वाली जनरेशन तो आएगी ना। अभी तो
ठीक बात
मेरा
है।
इमीडिएट इकोनॉमिक बेनिफिट यहाँ से मिल रहा है, तो काट दो,
हम्म।
राइट? अदरवाइज
राइट।
अमेज़न के जंगल में आग क्यों लगाते लोग? फॉर द इकोनॉमिक गेन्स, राइट?
ठीक बात है, ठीक बात
So
है।
everybody knows it pretty well that there are certain things which are important, which include soil, water, and air, but then nobody is bothered about these things,
Bothered about it, right?
right? So हर चीज को आपको मोनेटाइज करना जरूरी है। अगर इंसान को उसका मॉनेटरी गेन दिखेगा, तो ही विल लिव लाइफ इन अ पर्टिकुलर वे। अगर
Right.
उसका मॉनेटरी कोई बेनिफिट नहीं मिल रहा है, तो ही विल लिव लाइफ इन अ डिफरेंट वे।
Different way, right?
तो हमें ये चीज ह्यूमन नेचर की समझ में आ गई थी कि टिल द टाइम वी डोंट मोनेटाइज इट, it is not going to work out for the masses to accept it, for the people to
Exactly.
accept it, for the system to accept it, right?
Right.
तो हमने सोचा इसको मोनेटाइज कैसे किया जाए। भाई, पानी को हम तो कर सकते हैं, मिट्टी को ठीक कर सकते हैं, लेकिन कैसे करें? सो वी फर्स्ट स्टार्टेड विथ अ वेरी नोबल आइडिया कि यार हमारे यहाँ जो किसान हैं उनकी बहुत हालत खराब है, दे आर इनकरिंग लॉसेस, तो लेट अस स्टार्ट विथ द फार्मर्स।
Okay.
पैसा हमने बहुत कमा लिया 25 साल में आईटी इंडस्ट्री से, so now let us return it back to society.
Society,
So
okay.
we went to the farmers, which included the agriculturist as well as the aquaculturist.
अच्छा, दोनों, okay.
तो हम दोनों के पास गए, हमने कहा जी आपको सिर्फ जैसे हम बता रहे वैसे करना है, और कोई भी आपको केमिकल वगैरह का यूज नहीं करना है, और आपकी मिट्टी भी ठीक होगी, आपकी उपज भी अच्छी होगी, योर yield in terms of quality and quantity both will increase, both will improvise, and your input cost will be minimized.
Right.
आप इस तरीके से आप खेती करो, इस तरीके से आप मछली पालन करो, and we will once you start reaping the results, once you are doing the harvest, जब आपको इकोनॉमिक बेनिफिट, इकोनॉमिक गेन होगा, तो हम लोग बंटवारा कर लेंगे पैसे का।
ठीक है।
विथ अ वेरी नोबल आइडिया कि यार जिस आदमी को साल में 50,000 कमाने भी मुश्किल हो रहे हैं, उसको हम 5 लाख कमा के देंगे, तो वो हमको क्यों छोड़ेगा?
ठीक बात है। हाँ।
So we did such kind of project, 500 projects across the breadth of the nation,
अच्छा,
starting
okay.
from Uttaranchal till West Bengal. We did 500
Okay.
projects,
Okay.
and we gained not even 5 penny out of it.
Oh God. And why is it so?
It is basically because people are short-sighted. उनको जिसने कभी जिंदगी में 50,000 नहीं देखा, जब उसके पास आपने कस्टोडियन उसको बना दिया 15 लाख का, तो उसको जैसे 15 लाख दिखते हैं, वो निकालता है, बेचता है, भागता है।
अच्छा,
हुआ ही नहीं कुछ, सब नुकसान हो गया। ठीक है। देन वी थॉट कि नहीं यार, ऐसे तो नहीं चलेगा, ऐसे तो हम खुद ही सड़क पे आ जाएंगे। नाउ वी नीड टू चेंज द पाथ। So we changed the path. We thought that okay, in the name of sewage treatment plant, there is a lot of money being spent. Like आपको शायद पता नहीं होगा, ये गुड़गांव से मनेसर जाते हुए जो इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया आता है,
हाँ जी, हाँ जी,
as per law, the entire sludge of their treatment plants,
right,
they have to send it to Gujarat.
Oh God, यहाँ से
तो
गुजरात,
and this is law.
Okay.
तो अगर वो एज पर लॉ चलेंगे, तो उनका जो कॉस्ट ऑफ स्लज मैनेजमेंट है, वो इतना हाई होगा कि इट विल बी वेरी कंफर्टेबल फॉर देम टू एक्चुअली adopt any new technology which is making the sludge as zero
out here itself.
Yeah. तो हमने उनको अप्रोच किया, हमने उनको बताया कि जी हमारी टेक्नोलॉजी आप अगर यूज करेंगे So all your sludge will become zero.
Right.
They said, नहीं नहीं ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? This is impossible.
Hmm.
So we said, you try and test it.
Hmm.
So again, trying and testing is always done for free, right?
हाँ ठीक बात है.
So
हाँ वो
we
हमारे
cannot
हमारे
charge
देश में.
anything,
Yeah,
right?
it's a given. हाँ.
So again, we did it for free. We
Okay.
did the sludge management for them,
Hmm.
and we made their sludge zero.
Okay.
Okay. Then we told them that now that the sludge is zero, now there is no foul smell in your treatment plant. Otherwise, there was a huge foul smell across the vicinity. That problem is also sorted out, and your pumps are also working much less. Actually, the use of pump was reduced to only about 20% of what they were using earlier.
Oh.
So by that virtue, the electricity consumption is also reduced. So
Right.
we did an analysis, and we came to know that about 93% of their
Hmm.
expenditure was already taken care of.
Oh, wow, that's huge.
So we said, now you can pay us.
Hmm.
So they say, no, sir, we cannot pay you. You were doing your
अच्छा.
experiment. Your
Hmm.
experiment is done. Thank you.
Right.
Congratulations. You are successful. Now you can go.
अच्छा
So
अपना काम हो
we
गया.
said,
Okay.
"Yeah."
Right.
So we
Hmm.
said, why is that so? So
Hmm.
they said, it does not make any business sense for us, because anyways we were not sending it to Gujarat.
Okay. तब पता लगा कि the trade
Yeah,
secret behind. Okay.
right.
Hmm.
So all the treatment plants
Uh-huh.
are there for a specific purpose, that they need approvals. They're
Okay.
not running the plants.
हाँ. Okay.
Okay.
बहुत
Then
बुरा हाल है. Hmm.
then we thought that, okay, this is also not something doable, so we need to find out more. So
Hmm.
then we thought that, yeah, there has to be somebody who gets benefited economically by
Hmm.
restoration of water, soil, and air. And
Hmm.
then we thought that, okay, if we can find out that entity which is benefited
Hmm.
out of it, and if that entity is giving some kind of economic gains to the human beings, then by
Hmm.
default it will work. So
Okay.
that's how we entered into aquaculture.
Okay.
And once we entered into aquaculture, we understood one simple logic, that any organism which is living in water
Mm-hmm.
can be as healthy as the water is. If the water quality is bad,
Right.
obviously the
Hmm.
organism will be
Naturally. Naturally.
diseased, right?
Right.
So we started restoring water there, and that's how we established the aquaculture solution. And
Okay.
there is a sea change of difference in the quality of fish, in the quantity of fish,
Okay.
in the amount of expenditure that they do for maintenance
Hmm.
of the aquaculture ponds. So that is from where we again entered into the water body restoration.
Mm-hmm.
And from 2019 till now, we
Mm-hmm.
would have already completed about 14 15 projects.
Okay.
Some 5 6 projects are ongoing. And
Mm-hmm.
because we entered into this water body rejuvenation, which is a government endorsement, because otherwise
Right.
agriculture and aquaculture and sewage treatment, everything was privatized. Now the moment
Back
we
home.
entered into the government system, then
Mm-hmm.
the newspapers also started publishing, then the TV channel also did a coverage, and that's
Right.
how we got an invite from TED. So we gave a
Okay.
TED talk, and
Okay.
then the magazine started publishing about
Mm.
the water specific journals and magazines, the
Right.
environment and ecology magazines and journals. So that is how, I mean, today, uh, like you are taking my interview, that's amazing. A lifestyle magazine taking my interview doesn't make any sense.
Mm.
I mean, because I mean, public perception, you can say, that lifestyle
Right.
magazines will only interview celebrities, which I am
But
not.
that's what Madhukar is a wrong concept, which I explained to you in the very
Yeah.
beginning. That's a very different, because end of the day you are improving our lifestyle. You're
Yeah.
working to improve our lifestyle. So lifestyle should not be limited to luxury and celebrities per se. It should
Yeah.
talk about humans and living beings all
That's,
around.
that's
So
why this tagline attracts you the most, na? Above normal.
yeah,
You know,
actually, that's
you
why.
are
That's why.
also you are also
Yeah,
above
yeah, yeah.
normal.
Obviously, that's why. That's why, and that is the reason that the initial period of struggle is always there. So
Yeah.
when we also started the portal, that struggle has been there, and it will always be there. It's very understood because things like these, when you break and you go against the stream, it gets
Yeah.
very difficult. It gets very
Right.
difficult to survive. Like in your case, so many times it happened. So say for 4 years you guys were struggling and you didn't have a clue, although you wanted to do good for the society, but they were not receptive of that good, right? So
Right.
so it gets very difficult. But talking about when you entered the Sarkari system, uh, right, in 2019, you said, right? How receptive are the Sarkari departments, because they don't have a very good reputation among the the outside for people like us, for example.
No, there are ways and means to enter. Actually, the point is, it is a catch-22 situation. You know, it is a vicious circle. The moment you get to into any government body, they'll first question they'll ask you, "Have you ever done any other government project?" If the
Right.
answer is no, we can't talk further. You go back.
Thank you.
Right. So
Mm.
for getting the first project, there are a lot of
Mhm.
compromises that you need to do. Like,
Mhm.
sir, you don't pay us.
Okay.
Okay. So the first order, you have to say that, sir, you don't pay us. We're
Mm.
doing it for free.
Okay.
The second is, you give us a project which is
Mm.
undoable, which
Okay.
nobody has done. You have actually raised your hands that this is impossible.
Right.
Give us that project.
Mm.
Okay. And uh, we all we need is a permission from you that we
Mm.
are allowed to do the rejuvenation work for particular water body. You
Right.
just mention that, and you mention
Mhm.
your passing criteria.
Okay. Mm.
And if we pass, then uh, we will not come to you for the payment, but you at least give us a completion certificate that yes, we worked in this particular water
Okay.
body and we rejuvenated it, and you are
Right.
satisfied with the rejuvenation process. So that
Okay.
is how we got the first project. Now,
Mm.
incidentally, the water body that we got was a water body wherein they were trying to rejuvenate for almost 3, 4, 5 years, and they were unable
Mhm.
to do that. And they were NGOs, they were multinationals. Everybody had tried and burnt their
Mm.
fingers. Lastly, there was some American company which had come,
Acha.
which had worked there for almost 5 months, failed, and went back. Now, this was
Okay.
the point when the administration decided that okay, we'll just fill up the
Acha, the
water
what?
body
Okay.
and
Okay.
close the problem, because as long as water body is there, mosquitoes will be there.
Right.
As long as mosquitoes are there, the vector-borne disease threat will always be there.
Right.
So that was one of the biggest problem that they had. And then there was a foul smell in a radius of almost about 2 kilometers from the water
Mm.
body. So,
Mm.
and this was there for last 30 years. So they were like really given up on the water
Mm.
body. And that's how we got the first project. And unfortunately, government was not aware what they are doing, because
Mm.
they were the attitude was very simple: everybody has failed, let them also fail.
हाँ
So
ठीक है
but we were aware what we are going to do and what we were
राइट
going to get into. So this foul smell which was there for 30 years actually vanished in a matter of 24 hours.
oh god that's too
The
less
and the people who were there, who were residing, because
right
this was a very urban lake and there was a
mm.
dense human population around,
Okay.
dense colonies were there, and all that colony sewage was coming into the water body. That is why it was into a bad shape.
Okay.
So
Okay.
the moment this foul smell had gone,
Mm.
people were like crazy. How can
Naturally.
this happen?
Naturally. Naturally. Yeah.
And by the time the first week ended, about week 10 days, 7 to 10 days, the
Mhm.
entire mosquito population had gone.
Okay.
Now the public was like amused that what exactly is this happening? कोई भगवान की कृपा हो गई, कोई चमत्कार हो गया and all that.
जादू हो गया, हाँ, राइट.
And then whenever we used to go there for the treatment purpose, our team, they used to come out with table and chair and then pankha
अच्छा.
jhaloji and get some
रॉयल
midnight.
रॉयल
Yeah,
रॉयल
that royal
ट्रीटमेंट होता
treatment
है.
was there, which was not even extended to the local vidhayak and all those politicians, corporators and
Naturally.
all. So they were like zapped to see the transformation of the water body. So we had requested only for a 1 month proof of concept. So we
Okay.
did that, and we invited the municipal corporation that okay, you, because for that complete 1 month nobody had come there,
हाँ,
because
actually they won't,
they
हाँ.
were like sitting relaxed that everybody has failed, let them also fail.
Let them, हाँ.
But after 1 month, when we invited them at
Mhm.
the site, that okay, you have a look so that you can give us a okay report and all that. So they had already involved a government college for taking a periodic water sample and testing of the water and
Okay.
all that. So
Okay.
after 1 month, when we invited them there, so they were like themselves zapped. What have you done? How can this happen? So we said we were doing the treatment, and we told you what
Right.
treatment we are going to do. So you just give us the okay report and all that. So that's how the first project got over. But then from the next day we stopped going there because the project was over,
Right. हाँ,
and
बिल्कुल correct, बिल्कुल.
we had officially submitted the completion report that okay, from our side it is over, you can do your testing and whatever you want to do, and you give us the
हम्म.
completion certificate, because as a commitment we were not filing up for any kind of payment or anything.
ठीक है, हाँ.
But within about 7 days or so, this
हम्म.
news got spread that the agency which was doing that rejuvenation work has gone. So that
अच्छा.
entire public literally went in hundreds of numbers and
Okay.
sat on dharna in front of the municipal corporation that how did you stop it?
Okay. Naturally, because their lives were getting affected after all.
Yeah, yeah.
Right, right.
So that's how municipality actually also got shocked that how can
हम्म.
this happen for a private company? So many people have come
ठीक बात है, हाँ,
that
ठीक बात है.
the work must go on, and that's how it started getting repeated month over month, month over month. So we kept on doing it till the time this COVID outbreak happened,
Okay.
and because of that, there was a lot of uh, press coverage, newspaper covered it, and then the nearby districts also started calling us. They also had problem. So everywhere the
Right.
problem used to be different. Somewhere there was a microbial infestation, so the public health department had declared a lake as unfit for human health because it was spreading
Hmm.
cholera and diarrhea and all that.
Okay.
So we treated that also, and this
Hmm.
ours happens to be the only in situ treatment wherein you don't have to
Okay.
do decantation, you don't have to do any
अच्छा,
diversion of the
हाँ.
drains, any nala, any sewage which is coming in, let it come in, and
You'll
the
still
water
still
body,
work on it.
yeah,
Okay.
and the water body will be rejuvenated.
And which project was this which you told us about? Where was this?
uh, this was in Chhattisgarh.
Acha, this is in Chhattisgarh.
Yeah.
Okay. And
Then
what
from
all projects?
Chhattisgarh, we started getting projects in Madhya Pradesh, then in Gujarat, then we did
Okay.
Uttar Pradesh, we did Delhi. Incidentally,
Mhm.
we are based out of Delhi, but we
Uh,
came to Delhi after already being
all of
successful in Chhattisgarh and Madhya
traveling.
Pradesh, Gujarat, and
Okay.
Uttar Pradesh, and then that's how we landed in Delhi. Now we
Okay.
have completed two projects in Delhi also.
Which are
And
these? Which are these?
One is in this place, Rohini, called
Okay.
Jheelwala Park.
That's right. Huh?
And
It's
that is
quite a
a
famous park.
5-acre green belt in which there is a 1 hectare lake. And
Okay.
second one is Prasad Nagar Lake in Karol Bagh,
Okay.
which is about three
Again, a
and a half
famous.
acres. Yeah.
Okay. So, how long normally does it take you guys to actually start the process? You said within 24 hours the foul smell went off.
Yeah.
So, normally, what is that magical potion that you put in, and that foul smell evaporated, and people had their own.
See, there is a process. We need to
Mhm.
first study the water body. We
Okay.
need certain inputs from the site, and on
Okay.
that basis, we do a study of the water body. Now, based on
Mm.
this study, we make you can call it a potion, you can call it a medicine, you can call it herbal extract. We call it Cownomics concentrate. Okay, this
Okay.
Cownomics concentrate is 100% botanical extract of
Okay.
there is a pool of herbs, and the
Mm-hmm.
total count happens to be 1008, out of which there are different permutation combination depending upon the kind of the water, uh, your geographical location of the water body, the kind of
Mm-hmm.
contamination which is coming in, the kind of plantation which is there on the embankment area. Based on all these factors, multiple permutation combinations are there, and then we have to select what all herbs to be used, and then
Mm-hmm.
extraction of these herbs, we make the Cownomics concentrate, which is a liquid. Now, this liquid
Mm-hmm.
is sent to the site. It is diluted into the fresh borewell water, and then it is
Okay.
poured into the water body.
Okay.
Now, this is the physical activity that we need to do. Afterwards,
Mhm.
it is actually, as I said, resuscitation of the aqua ecology, for which the
Okay.
energy engine is sunlight. So, in
Mm-hmm.
presence of sunlight, this concentrate that we have poured into the water body is actually synthesized by aqua ecology, and the ecology comes back to life. So
Okay.
that is how the
Okay.
water body is rejuvenated through its natural process. I mean, we are not
Mm-hmm.
doing any physical, biological, or chemical intervention into the water body.
Okay. Okay. So, when you get into the system, वो बाबूडम अभी भी चलता है अब कि नहीं अब वो you have got over from that, and that was one reason that that you were acknowledged as a water hero by the Ministry of Jal Shakti.
No, actually, that was basically. I mean, I don't know about the Babudam, but what has happened is the government of late
Mm-hmm.
has become very interactive. Because of that
Mm-hmm.
MyGov portal.
Right.
So MyGov
Right.
portal, in my lifetime, it happened for the first time that the Prime Minister of India is talking to the citizen, and he's
Right.
saying that log on to the government portal and be a part of the governance and all that. So I said, बढ़िया है, प्रधानमंत्री ने बोला है तो करना है. And that's
Mm-hmm.
how, I mean, I'm a very law abiding citizen, by the way. So when
Okay.
the PM is saying something, it is a serious matter. That's how
Mm-hmm.
we've been groomed, because one thing is also very important, that the army background is there. So law and
Okay.
order,
Okay.
by
Is
default,
important to
gets
you.
that preference in the mind, that it is a priority area. If the PM is saying something, we must abide
Right.
by that. So that's
Right.
how I logged into the MyGov portal, and then
Okay.
there was a username, password, all that thing got created, and I
Mm-hmm.
started getting mailers from MyGov.
Okay.
Into those mailers, whenever there is a contest, and the contest used to talk about certain things, and if I found some solution to it, like for making a particular logo, if there
Mm-hmm.
is a contest, so I used to make a logo and put it there.
अच्छा.
If there was
Okay.
a essay writing competition, I used to write an essay and put it there whenever
अच्छा.
I had free time.
Mm-hmm.
So incidentally, it so happened that there was this water hero awards announced there. So
Okay.
that was calling for the case studies that you have done for the
Mm-hmm.
water sector. Incidentally,
Okay.
our entire work was in water sector. So I put up a
Exactly.
couple of case studies, and
Mm,
probably there must be somebody who would have analyzed it,
mm.
because one single guy giving so many case studies would have
It
been
would have been great.
unusual. And
Mm.
that's how maybe I got that Water Hero award.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Acha, has it happened ever that some scientists, because the work which you guys are doing, and at your end as an R&D head, you're doing, has it happened कि some scientists have called you and said, यार आप तो हमारे पेट पे लात मार रहे हो because you guys are entering our field and आपको तो Nobel Prize मिल जाएगा कल को.
Plenty of times, plenty of times.
Plenty of this? See, matlab, I just presumed that this would have happened to you. Has it happened? Actually
There are,
happened?
yeah, actually happened. It
Hmm?
actually happened
Okay.
with a couple of people whom we approached that, okay, you are the government authority, why don't you endorse? We can show you the results and all that.
Hmm.
So and starting from agriculture to aquaculture to
Right.
everything. I mean, we've been to almost all the authorities, and we have given a solution, and we have given a presentation, and we have
Mhm.
invited them to give us an opportunity so that we can prove ourselves.
Right.
So ultimately, everybody says that what you are doing is what we were supposed to do, and we can
Exactly.
never endorse it, because even if these things will be done by the IT guys like you, then
तो हम क्या
what are
करेंगे?
we being paid for?
Right. 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 Okay. So what all projects are running right now, Madhukar?
See, right now we're doing one Mansi Ganga project, which is there in Mathura.
Okay.
Then we're doing another project in Ayodhya.
Okay.
There is another project which is going on with uh, an NGO partner of ours. That is,
Mhm.
we short form we call it SAHE, SAH.
Okay.
That is in Hyderabad, wherein we
Okay.
are doing the Kudikunta Lake. And
Mhm.
then we have another project going on in Bangalore,
Okay.
and two of the projects will be upcoming next month in Gurgaon.
Okay.
So these are the ongoing ones.
So how does it work? Just to wind up the entire thing, how does it
Yeah.
work? So people get in touch with you, or do you actually say that this is
No,
a lake that I have seen somewhere, and
no, it's
maybe
not like
feed
that.
me?
We only work as the original technology manufacturer. We don't
Okay,
approach government. We don't approach people. Wherever
okay,
we work only through the partners.
acha, okay,
So, like, let us suppose there is one XYZ foundation somewhere in
hmm.
Bangalore, right?
Hmm.
They want to do the rejuvenation of a water body. Let us suppose Belandur Lake itself, right?
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
we will provide them with our technology, and they will be the one who will be picking up the order, who will be arranging for the funds, and who will be executing the project. We will
Okay.
only remain at the technology end, because there is
Hmm.
plenty of it which we still need to find out in terms of the Vedic technologies which are required by the world.
Hmm.
So we want to
Hmm.
remain focused towards R&D. We do,
Okay.
if we start getting into every transaction, and if we start interacting with our government,
Hmm.
then
But
it
don't you
will
think? Sorry to be interrupting you on this. But don't you think that the purpose with which you actually started the organization
yeah,
was also to improve the situation of nature and the
yeah,
products around us, right?
yeah.
Also to educate. At your end, what are you doing to educate people? Say people like us, for example.
Oh, I do a lot of seminars. I do a lot of webinars.
Okay.
I join all the media friends like you. Wherever
Mm-hmm.
there is an opportunity, I always try to explain my technology. I always try to kind of educate people that living in harmony with nature is not that difficult. Yeah, it is very
Right.
simple. Because uh, one of the biggest investor brain in the world today is Warren Buffett, and he once
Right.
gave a statement that if you want to be successful in the money market, you must always invest into a technology or a organization wherein your money continues to grow even while you are sleeping.
Okay.
Right
Okay. Right.
now,
Right.
living in harmony with nature is something like this only. You don't have to do
Mm-hmm.
anything. 90% of the job is actually done by nature itself.
Right. Right.
When we are talking about resuscitation of the ecology, you will be amazed to see the minimal amount of efforts, the minimal amount of labor that you have to do. you know
Mm-hmm.
it is just one simple Cownomics concentrate which will come to the partner. He just have to
Right.
pour it, dilute it, and then leave the diluted into
Mm-hmm.
the diluted concentrate into the water body. What
Right.
else is he doing? It's simple two steps:
True.
dilution and pouring.
That's it.
Rest everything is done by nature.
Mm-hmm.
Now just imagine, for setting up an STP, you spend crores and crores of the rupees,
Right.
and that is just the capex. There is equal amount
Mm.
of opex also, right?
Right.
And
Right.
then you are completely dependent upon machines, and all the machines will run on energy, and energy
Again,
will
this
come
is
out of burning of the hydrocarbons,
big part.
right? So whether you are running it on electricity, where is the electricity coming from? Burning of coal,
Right. Right.
right? Or you are running it on petrol or diesel. So
कुछ
you
ना
are
कुछ तो
again
burn हो
burning.
ही
Yeah.
right. Burning is
So
happening. Yeah.
in the process of cleaning of water, what you are doing is you are polluting air,
Right.
right? Whereas if you actually look at the functions of the water body, which has been given to the water body by nature,
Mm.
is when you restore a water body, the underground aquifer is naturally recharged,
Right.
the water pollution is naturally gone. So you can
Mm-hmm.
literally put all your city sewage into the water bodies and do the rejuvenation work. So your sewage problem is also gone.
Right.
Now the water body is also doing the aquifer recharge, so your underground water table will also start coming up.
Mm-hmm.
Now you'll be astonished to know that every water body does photosynthesis.
Okay.
So that
Okay.
means water body is
Interesting.
also generating oxygen,
Oxygen. Right.
right? So you are
Mm.
oxygenating the air. Now
True.
coming on to very interesting part which most of the people do not know. What is air pollution?
Mm.
90% of the people will say that the pollution in the air, which is carbon dioxide and methane, is called air pollution. No,
Mm.
it is not.
Okay.
When you say air quality index has gone
Mm.
down or gone up, is now bad air quality, you are only and only measuring the amount of particulate matter in air.
Right.
Particulate matter is
Mm.
your PM short form. Now,
Mm.
PM is into multiple categories depending on the size of the particle.
Right.
It is zero point
Mm.
0.6, 2.5, 5, 10, whatever. Right.
Mm.
Now, what is
Mm.
this particulate matter? This is not carbon dioxide. This is not methane. This
Right.
particulate matter is free flowing solid particles in air.
Right.
Okay. Now,
Mm-hmm.
interesting factor is all these free flowing solid particles in air are positively charged, and a natural water body top surface is negatively charged. So by
Mm-hmm.
default, this will get attracted by the water body, and your entire air pollution is sorted without
Okay.
any engine, without any apparatus, without any energy.
Wow.
This all happens naturally.
That's
Okay. So
interesting.
you restore the water body, your air pollution is gone. No more
Mm.
blaming parali burning and all that.
कुछ भी नहीं है actually. Then
आपको
all
दिवाली
that
के
all that
पटाखे भी
is
बैन नहीं करने पड़ेंगे. Around Delhi, we
strange.
have 1024 water bodies.
Oh, wow, that's huge. So
These
all
are
of
all
them.
lakes and
Right.
ponds. Only the lakes and ponds. I'm not
Right.
talking about the Najafgarh drain. I'm not talking about the Yamuna.
No, no.
Right. These are the rivers and the
Mm.
rivulets. I'm
Right.
talking about only the ponds and lakes. The number happens to be 1024. If
It's,
you simply restore them,
mm.
Delhi cannot have any kind of air pollution at all.
Oh, that's a big statement actually coming from you.
Yes.
That's a huge thing.
The
And if
entire
that can happen,
air pollution can be curbed just by restoration of these water bodies.
but ऐसा नहीं होता मधुकर कि now that you're making such a big statement, and this will also go to people, mm, that you should, as a responsible citizen, should approach a government organization. I know you've just explained the entire thing to me. You don't want to get into that logistics, but doesn't it make a lot of sense that as a person, as a citizen, you need to be responsible enough to say, for example, sounds very ethical, but you should go and say that मेरे पास टेक्नोलॉजी है, हम लोग ये कर सकते हैं, and we should be improving the quality of air and water around us.
That's precisely what I'm doing using your platform. See, how do I reach masses? Right.
Right, right.
Ultimately, I'm also a human being. I've got only one mouth. How do I
Right.
make 2 crore people listen to me? It is only
But
by
but
coming to your platform, getting it
to
published in the
others.
newspapers,
Hmm.
getting it published into the magazines.
Hmm.
Unfortunately, I'm not a big corporate house that I've got a huge budget for making all this happen. Whatever I do it on my merit.
Right,
Right.
right. I
I
agree.
did not spend a single penny for attracting you to me, right?
It
It
is
is
right.
all
Yeah.
on my merit,
Right.
right? So
It's an.
it will take time for me to reach all the people, and it's not that I'm not doing anything in Delhi. I've done 2 lakes in Delhi,
Right.
right? But then I've got a bandwidth limitation as well, right?
That's
I
right. I
cannot be
agree.
omnipresent. Unfortunately,
Mm-hmm.
or fortunately for me, God has given me a job which is supposed to be done like omnipresent, but unfortunately, I am still bound in my human
Right.
limitations. You know?
I agree. I agree. I hope that this happens very soon, and we are able to actually breathe fresh air and drink water from the drains also. Maybe sometime tomorrow. You never know that that's a possibility. The kind of efforts that you are doing. So all the best, Madhukar, for your efforts, and I hope this one reaches a lot of people and they utilize this technology that you've developed. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot, Madhukar. Thank you.